Hi everyone. In my previous videos, we learned how Ramsar sites protect ecological character and follow the wise use principle. Now, imagine this. A tiny migratory bird travels thousands of kilometers across countries and oceans. After a long and exhausting journey, it finally finds a peaceful wetland filled with food, water, and shelter. That safe resting place is a Ramsar site. Every year, millions of birds depend on these wetlands for survival to rest, breed, feed, and continue their journey. That's why Ramsar sites are not just wetlands, they are life support systems for birds and biodiversity. Thank you.